And this is the final result, guys. The free diamonds, coins, and energy points have been added. 900k free diamonds, coins, and energy, guys, in this Goodville Farm game. This is not any trick. These resources are offered by some big sponsors. So the first requirement, guys, is to have your power saving mode off. And I'm gonna do that by turning it on and off again. Then I'm starting my game right now to show you how many resources I have before actually trying the method. Alright, let's speed up a bit, and as you can see, not too many at this moment, but we're gonna change that as soon as possible. Firstly, I open my browser and go to ontweak.com. As you can see, make sure it's the .com one. I am searching for the Goodville game here and tap on start. Here I'm just entering the user ID, which can be found by tapping on the settings button. Then I select my platform and the number of resources. As I mentioned, guys, these resources are real and the sponsors ask you to do an additional step in order to get them, but don't worry about that. It will probably take you some minutes or more, but this is completely free and very easy to do. Now let's check the game and see if this method worked. And this is the final result, guys. The free diamonds, coins, and energy points have been added in my Goodville game. I'm putting my fingers above so you can see this is for real. This is not any edited stuff. Hope you all enjoy it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day.